The gentle art of baby massage has been a custom of infant caregiving traditions passed from parents to child in many different cultures for generations. Did you know? Hawaiian mothers massage their babies' faces as they believe it makes them more beautiful. Recent scientific research has flourished. According to modern scientific studies, infant massage may help strengthen your baby's immune system, improve the digestive and nervous systems, increase muscle tone, and encourage your baby to sleep more. Some of the common troubles and concerns parents can have with their babies include difficulties sleeping, trapped wind or gas, problems with digestion and general discomfort, constipation issues. Also, chest and nasal congestion can be relieved. Baby massage helps relieve discomfort with colic and teething pains too. Massage strokes can give the results with great relief to all of these troubles. A baby's senses develop in sequence, of which the first most important is touch. It is also the main communicator of love. More research sources show that newborns who had skin-to-skin contact at an early stage cried less and bonded with their mothers more than babies who did not. Some of the outcomes and results you might expect from our baby massage masterclass for your baby: improves quality of sleep, strengthens the immune system, promotes relaxation, teaches positive nurturing loving touch, soothes colic, alleviates constipation, strengthens the digestive system, regulates breathing and nervous systems, strengthens muscle tone, develops body, mind, awareness,